Just going to do a quick run through of the Rota Planner and where we're at with development. So I've got a little setup here with a pretend hotel with some shifts for an example. So some of the features we have is, so we've got open shifts now where staff can request a shift. So I can set it as open and save that, and then employees will be able to come in. They'll only see the actions tab and they'll be able to request access to the shift, and then that will come through to the request section where the rota manager can approve or reject that person taking on that shift. So you can add a number of, how many people you want for it to automatically close after you've got one or two requests or whatever. So in terms of sharing options, we've got the main one would be to give staff access to the application. So if you go to staff and then if we add an email to one of the users, click save, then in access you'll be able to send an invite email. So then they'll have access to the application. They'll have a slimmed down view of what they can see. Obviously they won't be able to edit anything, but they will see either their shifts, or if you've got privacy mode enabled, then they'll only see their own shifts, which is basically like the My Calendar view. So this only shows the published shifts, and I don't have any published shifts, so there's nothing here to see, but yeah, there would be some here. Some of the other publish options we got, PDF export, CSV, etc. The auto-populate is something we've recently added. So if you've got a bunch of shifts and need to populate them, you can click run and you've got automatic assignment of all the employees for the shifts. It tries to be fair in how it works that out. So in terms of the data that goes into that, so we've got I've got kind of a section for each role here, and I've got skills applied, so skill requirements of what's needed for the shifts within that section. So we've got a receptionist section, so we've got only receptionists that can be applied to those shifts. And so if I select a staff member, we've got some cleaners here, so you can see here in the skills they've got the cleaner skill. You can also restrict the employees to which locations they work in. So if you've got a few locations, you can assign staff to one or more locations if they only work at specific ones. Then we've got the availability that feeds into it as well. So staff can, if you enable it, mark which days they are available and which days they are not, and even specific hours. So that will go into, you'll get warnings if you try to book someone that's on leave or something. So see down here that Harry's on leave, but if I was to try and assign him, first you get the warning there, but if we book a leave for Annabelle, then you'll get the red error messages there. Yeah, that's about it.